We're building a drilling rig that, in a way that has never been built before, that they're not designed to be built like that.
The way we were building it is not the way it's designed to be built, nor is it that I know of ever been done. I mean, I haven't never done it. Usually you use the rig components itself to help raise it up, but in this case we're limited for space since we're in the city, so we have to build it vertically instead of building it horizontal and then raising it up.
Same as a kid with a Lego set. You have a whole bunch of pieces sitting on the floor, and you stack them together till you get it to look like how you want.
So some of the difficulties we're facing is really just the space that we're building it in. It's not a rig site out in the desert or a rig site out on location, but it's actually in the middle of the city, one of the most prominent areas. We've got the Presidential Palace less than a kilometre to our west.
When we started with this project, we saw it was painted silver, and we all decided to name it the Silver Fox.
So AD01 worked for a lot of years in the oil fields, drilled thousands of feet, and now it's coming to rest here at the new ADNOC's headquarters as a museum piece.
Yeah, I would love to see the places it's been and where it's drilled. I think it's dug many holes, many wells.
This has been here from day one, I guess, since they started drilling, so it's got a lot of historical value to it. It's as old as the company, therefore what better place for it to retire than here.
For me, the most exciting part of the project was when we put the crown on top of the derrick. You could feel the whole derrick shaking with the wind and all that, and as soon as the crown dropped into place, the whole derrick shook, and all the guys were pretty ecstatic and screaming and shouting.
Abu Dhabi is really amazing. I haven't seen a city that's so well organized and well planned and well thought through. It's clean, it's got amazing architecture, and yeah, I think this rig will definitely be a great addition to the city.
I've built a lot of things in my life, but this one has been interesting in that it's going to be here, a showpiece in the middle of Abu Dhabi, and it's going to be here for a while, and people are going to come in and look at it, and that's kind of neat to be a part of that. It's not just something that's going to be covered up, or it's going to be out in the desert and just make money or something. It's like artwork. It's a showpiece, and it's kind of fun to build that for everyone to see.
Very much a once-in-a-lifetime project. I think everybody involved is really excited and really proud to be a part of it. I don't think there's ever been, or there ever will be again, a 1971 rig that's probably drilled thousands of meters of holes in the ground that's being built in the most affluent area of Abu Dhabi. So yeah, the team's very proud to have been a part of it, and just to have gotten it done safely and no injuries, no incidents.